Hey friends, welcome back. And I apologize for my camera quality today. My regular one stopped working, so I'll have a replacement soon, but just bear with me today. Given the volatility in the stock market and the economy, I just wanted to touch base and talk about what we can do to ensure our home finances are still in order. Even in this uncertainty, you can still make your home yours. I just wanted to discuss a few tips for managing your household finances during these times. If you're feeling the weight of the economy right now, rising prices, whether it's eggs, flour, or your basic necessities, the market uncertainty, or just trying to make ends meet while caring for others, trust me, you're not alone. It's tough out there, whether you're a caretaker, living alone, or someone running a full household. It can feel like everything falls on your shoulders. So today, I just want to share three simple but powerful tips to help preserve your wealth and, more importantly, your peace of mind during these uncertain times. Tip number one, focus on cash flow. In uncertain times, your investments and net worth might lose value temporarily, and that can be stressful. Instead of watching the markets daily, zero in on your monthly cash flow. What's coming in, what's going out. Keep your essentials covered first. Housing, food, and healthcare. Those are your big three. For yourself, for your family, for your pets, housing, food, and healthcare. Everything else can be adjusted. Think of it like keeping your household steady during a storm. Don't worry about the big picture just yet. Just keep the boat from rocking too hard. Tip number two, downshift gently, not dramatically. Preserving your quality of life doesn't mean cutting out every little joy. It means being intentional. Maybe it's choosing home cooked meals over takeout more often, or postponing big purchases without sacrificing little comforts. These small shifts add up financially, but emotionally, they also help everyone in the home feel stable, feel cared for, and feel relaxed. That is perhaps one of the biggest things during uncertain times is making everyone feel that there is some level of stability and certainty. Now, before we get to the last tip, remember to please like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can help provide more tips and tricks for you. And tip number three, build a rainy day fund. This is perhaps the most important tip for me. Some people call it an emergency fund or a mattress fund. The premise is the same. It's about having cash available in the event something big happens so you don't go into high interest debt. Think of it as covering costs associated with losing your job, a medical emergency, or a burst pipe or a flood in your home. If you can, aim to save just a little each month and put it away in a savings account, preferably a high yield savings account that you don't see or touch. Even if it's just $20 a month, whatever you can do will help you in the future. This isn't about having a massive emergency fund overnight. Though ideally you'll want to have about 3 to 6 months of expenses built up over time. Instead, it's about giving yourself breathing room. That buffer becomes your sense of control when everything else feels unpredictable. And think of the calm. It's priceless for a caretaker or just having peace of mind. Knowing you have that certainty, that fallback fund, it will really help you in your day-to-day. Remember, preserving wealth isn't always about growing it. Sometimes it's about protecting it. Protecting your peace of mind at home is just as valuable. You're doing more than managing money. You're managing emotions, you're managing routines, and the well-being of the people around you. That matters. That is what matters. Take care of your home and remember to take care of yourself too. Talk soon, friends.